Hello, today we're going to go through the licensing modules of Acronis Cyber Protect. Acronis Cyber Protect can be broken down into two primary types of licenses, Acronis Cyber Protect and Acronis Cyber Protect Backup. Inside of those, there's different editions, including our Advanced Edition, as you can see here. There's also a Standard Edition. The primary difference between those is some of the features that become available. With the Advanced Edition, you gain access to reporting, centralized management of multiple different protection plans, and the ability to manage more devices. In this account, we have both the Advanced and a Backup Advanced. Inside of these two different license types, there's going to be three subtypes based off the workload that we're protecting. Starting with Workstation, that's going to cover any workstation class operating system. So this would be such as Windows 10, Windows 11, Mac OS. We then move to our server operating systems. This is going to cover anything from Microsoft Server 2022, Server 2019, including all of our Linux. So anything CentOS, Red Hat would fall underneath the Server Edition license. And lastly, we have our Virtual Host Edition license. The Virtual Host Edition covers hypervisors. This would be such as VMware, a Hyper-V host, Citrix, those types of scenarios. Now, one thing to keep in mind with the Virtual Host Edition license is we're only concerned about the physical node itself. We're not concerned about the number of cores. We're not concerned about the number of virtual machines that are underneath that. So with one license on a virtual host, you can cover an unlimited number of VMs. Now, with both server and virtual host editions, that includes all of our application add-ons. So our backup capabilities for SQL, for Exchange, for Active Directory, those are all included inside of these workloads. Across all workloads, the Acronis Universal Restore capability is included. That's our capability to restore to completely dissimilar hardware. It's now included with every single license. All licenses are sold as a subscription license with maintenance included, meaning that support is available 24/7, 365, depending on your region and the language you're looking to get. Being a subscription license, there is a term to it. You can see the licenses that I have on this account expire in July 2nd of 2029. When you're purchasing licenses, depending on what you're looking at, there are different terms available. Those are the core main licenses that we have. In addition to these, we also have add-on licenses. So starting with our Acronis Cloud Storage. Now you may see that there's free cloud storage included in these licenses. That is a promotion that Acronis is running. It may or may not change depending on when you're watching this video. Cloud storage is sold in chunks. It is a volume, meaning you purchase as much storage as you need for any of your workloads. So in this case, we have 1 terabyte of add-on storage added to our account. We can use that for as many different workloads as we see fit. Additional add-ons is going to be our disaster recovery storage under disaster recovery compute points. This is the capability of running your servers in the Acronis Cloud in the event of a disaster. Not pictured here is the public IP addresses. That's also an additional add-on for disaster recovery. Public IP addresses allow you to have a public IP that points to a server inside of the Acronis data centers. Outside of that, we also offer Microsoft 365 licensing as well as Google Workspace licensing. These are done on a per seat basis. So in this case, you can see we have 50 seats registered to the account here. Many different types of licenses that exist. As I mentioned, there's the Acronis Cyber Protect Standard, Acronis Cyber Protect Advanced, and then Acronis Cyber Protect Backup. This gives you the flexibility of choosing exactly what you need for your specific workload. And as you can see in our account here, you can mix and match. So you're not locked into any one specific license type. This gives you the flexibility to give you the protection that you need. If you need more information on how the licensing is broken down or help getting a specific quote for licensing, understanding exactly what you need for your environment, our sales department is standing by and ready to help. You can access them just through our Acronis website. Thanks for your time today. I hope you have a good one.